Welcome back to another episode of the Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber dash kit on this 2007 EZGO TXT. The tools you're going to need for this install are a drill, a 3/32 drill bit, and a Phillips head bit. Now let's get to the install. The first step in the installation I've actually already done, which is pulling these plastic pins out. And after that, you can pull this control panel out. We're taking this out so that we can put this on the face of the new dash. And the other thing that I like to do is go through and label all of these wires so that I know where they go when I go to reinstall this on the new dash. The next part of the install is going to be putting your new carbon fiber dash on the existing TXT dash that's in your cart. You're going to want to slide this over so your new cup holders are over the existing cup holders, and once you're in that spot, you just need to snap it into place. Once you've got your dash snapped in, you're going to want to grab your drill so that you can pilot your holes out for your fastening screws. For your fastening screws, I like to put one on the side trim, two underneath the driver's side and passenger side glove box, and three underneath your cup holders on the center of your cart. Once you have your dash screwed on, you're going to want to grab your included trim pieces to complete the look. To install these trim pieces, I like to slide the bottom of the trim down onto the cart until it grabs, and then you should be able to snap it into place. The last piece to this dash install is going to be putting your control panel back in. I'm going to use the screws that came with the kit to give it a nice finished look, but once you're done doing that, your cart's ready for operation again. That concludes the installation of this carbon fiber dash on our EZGO. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching today's video.